And then, of course, our GK social artist.
Oo, masyado na matagal, bro. Kailangan na natin makasama.
Kailangan, may mga magaganda sa ano na natin. Miss Luani de Lima, Brazil, Filipino, and GK social artist.
Oh my, I love her dress.
Oh.
I love her dress.
Because Brazilipina ako, I will wear the Brazil.
Oh, my God.
Kita-kita nyo naman. Kita-kita
You are rebuilding the Philippines.
Oh, palakpak naman dyan.
Diba?
Oy, dyan ako nakatira. Dito, doon. Tapos pumunta ako doon sa baba. Tapos, magpapayani challenge tayo. April 12 to June 12.
I will be there. Hope you guys can join also.
Lahat ng provinces, 1 million volunteers all over the world will reveal. Pupunta sa Visayas, pupunta doon sa Mindanao, sa Sulu, sa Palawan, sa Luzon, sa lahat.
Kumikisla pa.
Ang ganda-ganda naman yan.
Sandali. Marunong ka mag-Tagalog?
Siyempre naman, tagal na eh.
Naku, mahirap yan. Hindi natin mabebenta itong babaeng ito.
Diba? I love Las Salistas.
Bakit?
Well, first, okay, I love Las Salistas, pero narinig ko, magaling kayo mambola.
Eh, siyempre, champion kami sa basketball eh.
Oh, talaga?
Oo.
Magaling kayo madiskarte?
Diskarte, siyempre lahat nasa-solve namin yan. Lahat ng problema nasa-solve namin yan.
Narinig ko ding malakas kayo uminom.
Ng tubig, di ba?
Tubig?
Tubig lang
Oh,
yan.
okay.
Paminsan-minsan, pero tubig most of the time.
Tubig, no, bawal na yun. Dapat kayong malakas uminom kasi it's for a good cause. Let's all buy Black Label. We're gonna be helping the victims of the typhoon, diba?
Makinig naman kayo kay Liwani. Bumili naman kayo ng bote,
Let's
by the
all
way.
get drunk tonight!
Yes, enjoy tayo!
Sarap magbigay!
Sarap magbigay!
Sarap mag-ibigay!
Don't forget our magbigay girls!
Okay, at this point in time, Jins,
Sir.
we're going to the Gaud Kalinga segment.
Yes.
Luani is our enchanted farm fairy. And of course, what did you discover in the Philippines? These are enchanted farm.
Diba? Kasi I went to GK Enchanted Farm and I fell in love with everyone. Diba? Lahat ay masisipag, magaling. So, malaki yung puso talaga. So, there, I fell in love with the Filipinos. And there, nakita ko si Tony Melota, diba? Siya ang inspirasyon ko. That's why I became a social artist.
Ayun, tumutulong ka sa mahirap.
Inspired.
Lahat kayo, imbitado namin sa Enchanted Farm. Bibigyan namin kayo ng cellphone member ni Luani later. But before that, of course, we'd like to thank you on behalf of many advocates, lahat mga lasalista, lahat.
Maraming salamat.
Siya ang social media artist namin. So yun the good news.
Thank you so much, LaSalle, for supporting GK. I hope we can go to the farm. I will be your fairy.
Okay. But now, it's time to introduce our special guest. We'd like to call in the one who planted from DLSU. Siya po ang nagbigay ng pag-asa muli na magbigay ng scholars from Baseco, nakapag-educate at ngayon mga magna cum laude na mga Gaud Kalinga from Baseco sa DLSU at sa CSB. We'd like to call on Brother Michael Rotten. Michael!
Brother!
Guys, once again, Brother Michael!
Special greetings. Brother Armin forgot to mention this now, and he wanted to mention it. Special greetings to the class of 89. Right? Thank you very much. Lasalistas, I am a Singaporean. And I'm here because I was here in Green Hills from 85 to 87. So I lived there at the Central House. Where is that? There, and I taught religion to third-year high school students. Maybe some of you are here. Why am I here in the Philippines now? Since 2010, I'm working at DLSU. I'm the Vice Chancellor for the Silent Mission. And I want to proudly tell you that before I came to the Philippines, I was recruited by a Singaporean to join Gawad Kalinga. Gawad Kalinga has a wide outreach outside the Philippines. We know Gawad Kalinga and we support Gawad Kalinga. And when I came here and I met Tito Tony Maloto, I said, hey, I saw this man before. I met him in the Philippines. I met him in Singapore. And so things are connected now. And dear Lasalistas, this, I was told, is the largest gathering of alumni in the whole of the Philippines. Now, this is no small measure, right? 2,000 Lasallians gathered in the same place is something really spectacular. I texted immediately to Singapore, to our school, which is 160 years old, and I asked them, how come we cannot gather 2,000 people together in the same place? And they say, it's the Filipino Lasallian spirit. There's something unique about the Philippines in which you can bring back so many alumni on one night. Alumni, you are a force to be reckoned with. I really want to tell you, I'm so happy to be here, working in the Philippines, right? I only go back to Singapore because my mother is still alive. If she wasn't alive, I wouldn't have to go back to Singapore at all. But there's so much to be done here, and I really, really buy into the Gawad Kalinga dream that Filipinos can solve Filipino problems. I really believe that, right? And I believe that before I die, which could not be very long from now, before I die, I will see the end to Filipino poverty. Poverty will end in the Philippines because of Filipinos. Thank you very much for being here tonight. Thank you very much for coming together like this. Thank you very much for sharing in the mission.
Yes.
And I now would like to welcome...
Mga kapatid, mga kaberde, ngayon ang isang lasalista ng DLSA, alumni member, lifetime. Palakpakan natin ang ama at ang founder ng Gawad Kalinga, Antonio Tony Maloto.
Sir Tony!
Tito Tony!
Palakpakan mo!
Magsitayo, batch 89, kayo magbibigay ng grasya.
Magandang gabi, lahat ng mga berde.
Yeah!
Nais ko magpasalamat sa Lasal dahil ang anak kong si Camille na nag-umpisa ng Human Nature ay taga Lasal. At ang panganay kong anak na si Ana ay now member of the Board of Trustees of Lasal Binild. So kaya sa akin, ako po nagpapasalamat sa Lasal dahil nagbigay kayo ng mahigit 100 scholarship sa mga mahihirap na mga matatalino galing sa Gawad Kalinga communities.
Alright!
So nais ko magpasalamat sa lahat ng taga Lasal because we're going to end poverty in the Philippines. And we are going to rebuild Tacloban and the rest of Central Philippines. At ang isang idolo ko si Brother Armin. No, kasi we are going to revolutionize education in the Philippines. The brightest and the best from Lasal will help us end poverty in the Philippines. Maraming salamat po.
Sir Tony, maraming salamat.
Dito ka lang, dito.
On that note.
I-award ka namin. Ito na, batch 89. Batch 89. I-award na.
Batch 89, Sencom, please come up.
Ayan na mga matatapang.
Mga pogi, matatapang, matutulis.
Mga kababayan, kasama ko dito, isang Pranses, nagpi-PhD, iniwan ang trabaho sa France para tumulong sa Pilipinas. This is Ruben. At isa rin, nagpi-PhD sa University of Warwick, iniwanan din ang England to help us rebuild the Philippines. So, nandito sila ngayon at tuwang-tuwa sila sa Lasal because many of our patrons are here in Lasal.
Tito! Ayan na. The Batch 89. Announcement, Junjun. I-announce mo na. Ano ibibigay mo?
Okay, magandang gabi sa inyo lahat. Sir Tony, in behalf of Batch 89, sa puso namin inaalay ang aming suporta sa Gawad Kalinga.
Alright! Maraming salamat po. Nais ko rin po magpasalamat si Brother Armin.
Yes!
Pinakamagaling na Secretary of Education.
Oh, hey!
At pag-umpisa yung K-12, magkakaroon tayo ng K-12 sa Enchanted Farm because of Brother Armin sa June. So tulungan niyo po kami. Brother Vic Franco, we need LaSalle Green Hills to help us educate the poorest from the public schools. Maraming salamat.
Maraming salamat. Thank you.
Picture.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much.
On that note, huwag niyong kakalimutan bumili ng raffle, bumili ng drinks, bumili ng hugs, because this is really for a good cause. Lahat yan mapupunta sa mabuti and hindi masasayang talaga.
Okay. Guys, one last. Benito from the Dutch government, they had a telethon just after Yolanda. Benito, and they collected how many million euros?
It was 18 million euros.
Oh!
1 billion pesos for the Filipinos!
Nagbigay.
Yes! Thank you! And tonight, guys, thank you very much. Luani and everybody, all of them will visit you in Enchanted Farm. Thank you very much. Maraming salamat!
Maraming salamat.